Good morning students. Now today we will begin with electromagnet. Okay, rest of the topic I have explained you. Now electromagnet. Okay, very important topic, electromagnet. See, what are electromagnets? Electromagnet is actually not a magnet. They are a iron bar. It is actually an iron bar. See here. This is a horseshoe magnet. Okay, this is known as horseshoe magnet, which is U-shaped magnet is known as horseshoe magnet. Okay, so now see here, this is U-shaped magnet. Okay, so in U-shaped magnet, what? Suppose this is not a magnet. Consider it as an iron bar. Consider it as an iron bar or steel bar. Okay, anything. Iron bar may be a steel bar. So it is an iron bar. So we all know that iron bar do not have magnet on it, magnetism. It do not possess magnetism. Okay, but not after a few while you will know that iron bar can attain magnetism. And how? See here. Suppose we will have a wire. Suppose this is a wire. Okay. This is a battery attached to it. Okay, this is switch. Okay, this is switch. Okay, so see here, this is plus, this is minus, this is battery, this is switch. Okay, this is switch, this is switch. Now see here, this is a winding of wire. Okay, copper wire. Okay, so what we are doing, we are seeing that an iron bar which is of U shape, on that we have done a winding on it. Okay, we have done a winding on it and we have attached it with the battery, with the battery. And this is switch. Suppose this is right now it is in the open condition. Open condition means off. जैसे कि स्विच होता है घर में, ऑफ कर देते हैं तो बिजली क्या होती, नहीं आती, पंखा नहीं चलता, लाइट नहीं जलती. ऑन कर देते हैं तो बिजली, पंखा सब चलने लगता है. तो ये अभी ऑफ की कंडीशन में. जब इसको हम इसमें टच कराएंगे तो ये ऑन हो जाएगा. सपोज वी हैव टच इट लाइक दिस. नाउ वी हैव टच इट. सो नाउ स्विच इज ऑन. Now switch is on. As soon as switch will be on, the current will start flowing from positive terminal. Okay, from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Okay, so like this only the current will flow in the entire circuit. ठीक है, क्या किया हमने, जैसे ही हमने स्विच ऑन किया, पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से करंट फ्लो होना शुरू हुआ और ये क्या है, वायर से होते होते ये क्या है, इस तरफ के वायर में आ गया और ये यहाँ से होते हुए ऐसे पास होते हुए बैटरी में लौट रहा है. तो एक करंट स्टार्ट हो गई फ्लो करना इस आयरन बार में. ओके, सो एज सून एज करंट विल स्टार्ट फ्लोइंग ऑन दिस आयरन बार, व्हाट वी विल डू, इफ वी विल bring anything close to it, suppose any another iron bar, if we will bring close to it, okay, if we will bring close to it, this is north pole, this is south pole. Suppose this is north pole, okay, and this is south pole of the magnet. So as soon as we will bring another iron bar, okay, another iron bar, if we will bring another iron bar close to the north pole of the magnet, that means north pole of this magnet will, if we will bring close to this north pole, what we will observe that this magnet is actually start repulsing. Okay, this magnet will start repulsing. Okay, that means what happens, repulsion we all know is the surest test of magnetism. जैसे ही हम ये मैग्नेट को इसके पास लेकर आएंगे, क्या है, रिपल्शन होने लगेगा. ठीक है, ये दूर भागने लगेगा, रिपल्शन होगा. दिस प्रूव्स दैट नाउ this iron bar has attached attained magnetism. Okay, this is known as electromagnet. Electro means what? Because of the electricity, anything converted into magnet. So this iron bar is now converted into magnet. This is known as electromagnet, and this is actually known, this iron bar is actually known as by the name solenoid. Okay, this is known by the name solenoid. Okay, जब कोई आयरन बार इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के कारण क्या है, मैग्नेटिक पावर अटेन कर लेता है, तो उसे हम लोग सोलेनॉइड बोलते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट. ओके, सो what happen if we will bring another magnet close to this, north pole of this magnet will become closer to this, what happen is it will start repulsing. Okay, it will start repulsing. Because of that, it proves that this magnet is attain magnetism. But one thing, this magnet is not a permanent magnet. This magnet is never considered as a permanent. Okay, not a permanent, it is a temporary magnet. Okay, it is a temporary magnet, not a permanent magnet. This is a temporary magnet. Okay, so this is a temporary magnet. As soon as we will on the switch, current will start flowing in the solenoid and it will start behaving as a magnet. Okay, but as soon as we will switch off the current, it will lose its magnetism. It will lose its magnetism and it will again convert it into iron bar. Okay, it will again convert it into iron bar. Now it do not have any magnetism on it. Okay, but again if we will on the switch, it will again gain the magnetism. So what happens, this bar will behave like magnet only when we will have flowing of a current on its body, on its body is known as electromagnet. Okay, now see few practical uses given in your book. You will read it by your book only. Okay, practical use like electric bell. Okay, many other things are there, is based on the electromagnet. So you will read it by your book. It is given in your book. So what is, now we will study about permanent magnet and temporary magnet. Okay, I have told you about temporary magnet. Temporary magnet means what? Those magnet which have magnetism only for a certain time is known as temporary magnet. But permanent magnet means what? Magnet, if any bar or anything attain magnetism, then it is permanent with them. Then it will be permanent with them. That type of magnet is known as permanent magnet. Okay, so in permanent magnet may be of steel bar or alnico. ओके, स्टील बार और एल्निको में अगर हम क्या है इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लो कराएं और इसमें एक बारी मैग्नेटिज्म आ जाए तो वो फिर परमानेंटली हो जाती है. फिर स्टील में क्या होता है, फिर वो मैग्नेट लूज नहीं होती. वंस इट अटेन्स मैग्नेटिज्म, इट विल रिमेन विद इट. ओके, फॉर अ longer time. So this is permanent magnet. And temporary magnet, we have seen temporary magnet may be of soft iron core, soft iron bar. Okay, so iron bar का क्या है, तुम्हारा टेम्परेरी मैग्नेट रहेगा. परमानेंट मैग्नेट बनाना है तो स्टील का बार हमें लेना पड़ेगा. ओके, so this is about temporary and permanent magnet. Now we will see the Oersted experiment. Okay, Oersted experiment is given in your page number 122. So see here, this is very important experiment. Okay, Oersted is a scientist who has proved that because of electricity, what happens, and because of electricity the magnet will it will becomes magnet. Okay, few things he has proved Oersted. So Oersted experiment, okay, we will do. So see what Oersted has done. Oersted has taken a magnetic compass. Okay, suppose this is a magnetic compass. this is a magnetic compass, okay, and above this magnetic compass we will have a iron bar, okay, we will have a thick copper wire. It is written here thick copper wire. This is thick copper wire, okay. It is attached with the wire, okay, this is attached with the wire, and what happens, it is attached with the battery, okay. Suppose this is a battery, okay, this is a battery. Now what happens, this is, see here, this is west, consider it as west, then this will be north, this will be south, and this will be east, and this is south, okay. So this is the setup for the Oersted experiment, okay, that we will not, what happens, my space is running out, so we will make this video later on. Thank you. Read till here, till now, okay, then we will discuss about this in our next video. Why? Because this will take almost one video to explain this experiment, okay. Thank you.